Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 19 asks you to compare two price plans. It says Dog Gourmet charges a fee of $24 and $9 per month to send out monthly dog treat care packages. Best Treats charges a fee of $6 and $12 per month for the same dog treat package. Explain which plan is best based on the specific number of months that Cypress would subscribe for. So we want to compare Dog Gourmet, and we're going to set that equal to Best Treats. And we're going to use the fact of start value and rate of change. Dog Gourmet charges a flat fee. That's our start value of $24. And we're going to add $9 for each month. That's going to be our rate of change. Same thing for Best Treats. Start value is $6 and the rate of change is $12 per month. Now we're going to solve this equation. First, I'm going to put all my variables on one side, so I'm going to subtract 9x from both sides to keep my variable term positive. Positive 9x minus 9x is 0, or as some people say, it cancels out, giving me 24. On the right-hand side, 12x minus 9x is 3x, so I would have 6 plus 3x. Now I have a two-step. I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. 24 minus 6 is 18. 6 minus 6 is 0. 0 plus 3x is 3x. Finally, I'm going to divide both sides by 3, and I'm going to find out that x equals 6. That means at 6 months, both plans are equal. However, we want to know which plan is best based on a specific number of months. So we want to know 1 to 5 months, we want to know exactly at 6 months, and we want to know greater than 7 months. So at 1 to 5 months, the price plan with the cheaper start value of $6 would be better. That's Best Treats. At 6 months, it doesn't matter. Both are equal. And therefore, at 7 or more months, if we wanted this service, we would have a higher start plan with a less per month charge, and that would be Dog Gourmet.